There are different types of engine available, like 2-stroke, 4-stroke, and then 6 strokes. These names are derived from the number of strokes that the piston takes to complete a cycle. For example, the 4-stroke engine takes 4 piston movements to complete its engine cycle. The piston lowers for intake stroke, drawing air-fuel mixture, raising for the compression stroke. The air-fuel mixture is ignited for the power stroke, forcing the piston down. And finally, raise for the exhaust stroke, forcing the exhaust out of the engine. The cycle then repeats. It's over and over, turning the crankshaft, which is connected to the impeller, which drives the craft forward. The first stage is intake stroke. Intake valve opens, the exhaust valve shut. The piston travels from top dead center to bottom dead center, and the air is drawn inside. The second is the compression stroke. During this compression stroke, intake and exhaust valves are shut. Piston travels from bottom dead center to top dead center. The temperature and the pressure of air increases. Third, the power stroke. Intake and exhaust valves remains shut. Fuel injected into cylinder and ignites. Then the piston force from top dead center to bottom dead center. The fourth stroke, that is exhaust stroke. During this stroke, the intake valves is shut. The exhaust valve opens. Piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. The combustion gas expelled.